Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. My first ever time that I will be driving one. Oh, W16 engine coming alive. Just the turbo sounds gives me goosebumps. Hello guys, I am back today, welcoming you inside the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, and in today's video it's my first ever time that I will be driving one. We have gotten this opportunity by Bugatti. We are right now close to Molsheim and we will be driving from where we are towards the factory. We even have the Bugatti factory driver sitting here as the co-driver next to me. How are you doing?
Fine.
And I hope it will be staying like that, because I will be driving now for the first time ever Bugatti Chiron. And we have 1600 horsepower with the Super Sport version here. Let me just put the seatbelt on, and then yeah, let me just start the ignition first. All the electronics, we have the Bugatti emblem, Ettore Bugatti signature right over there, and we will be starting it up. First things first, there's something that I need to mention. This car right here has got already 47,000 kilometers on the clock, and I'm honest with you, the entire interior looks like brand new, except for the steering wheel. You know, it's a leather steering wheel, but this is not even the stock steering wheel that they get, like the customers get. This is a special steering wheel for this car here in specific. Anyways, as I mentioned, the inside feels like brand new, even though they really tested this car on multiple tracks. Anyways, 3, 2, 1, foot is on the brake, engine start stop is right over here. The key is already inside, you can see right over there. Oh, W16 engine coming alive with a 1600 horsepower. We have the shift knob right over here. The car is set in park. As soon as you move it, the right side is in drive. Then we have the indicator here on the left side. And now it's time for us to start the drive. Here we go. Wow. Moving a few million euros right now. It's a dream coming true for me right now. It's just crazy. It's also raining right now. Hope we will be fine. But the streets are still pretty dry. Driving on the French Autobahn, unfortunately it's restricted and not unrestricted like the German one. I think the kph restriction is at around about 130 on this part here. Let me just accelerate. Wow. This feels unreal. What a happy place to be. I'm feeling so blessed. Wow, thanks so much to Bugatti for making this dream come true here. Driving the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport on the French Autobahn here close to the headquarters. Close to Molsheim. We will be actually heading towards the headquarters, and then we'll be showing you a few more things around there. But before we do that, just enjoying the drive. Wow, this car can go so fast, but I mean, we are here on the restricted Autobahn and unfortunately not on the German one. If we would be in the German one, things would look way different. But it's also super crowded here on the French Autobahn right now, as rush hour is about to start, people leaving work, but still enjoying the drive here. Something that I have to mention with the Chiron in specific, there is a successor coming, the new Chiron successor. I think around June, end of June, they will be showing it to the world, and that car will be coming with a V16. The turbo spools, we have 4 turbos with this engine setup, is just absolutely crazy. However, the new Chiron, which is coming soon, will be coming with a W16 hybrid powertrain. So it's completely different to this car. I can't wait to show you that car soon, hopefully. I need to wait a few more weeks and months for that as well. But before we do that, is the official farewell driving here. It's my first drive, and I guess also one of my last ones inside a Chiron officially, before they show us the new one. I really love this. This is so much fun. Honestly, the way it actually accelerates as soon as you start pushing the accelerator is so elegant. It's not very racy. I mean, it can be racy. I mean, we have plus 1,600 horsepower with this car, but it doesn't give you 1,600 horsepower at all the time. Just leaving the Autobahn right here. This is just so cool. Also, the interior spec of this one is absolutely perfect. Carbon fiber, blue leather interior is to die for. I love it so much. So the next Autobahn part is restricted up to 110 kph. We're trying to hold that. Just the turbo sounds gives me goosebumps. I could do this the entire day. Wow. Love this so much. It's so much fun. I'm enjoying it so much right now. What a cool car to drive. Honestly, I mean, driving a Chiron 47,000 kilometers is super easy because it's so comfortable. It's an extremely luxurious ride. The W16, people think it's double 2 8-cylinder engines, so it must be way louder and super powerful and extremely sporty, but it's actually not. It's such a comfortable hypercar which can turn into a rocket with just a push of the accelerator, and also by switching the drive mode here. What it also does is when you're driving really fast and you're braking it down, it does the air brake with the rear spoiler. With this one, it's actually movable. With a pure sport Bugatti Chiron, there's a fixed solid spoiler. What a comfortable drive. Honestly, I could drive inside this car for hours. It's just simple as that. It's so luxurious, it's so elegant in the inside, timeless, beautiful interior design. I wonder what they will be doing and showing us with the new Chiron coming soon, especially in the inside. And how are they going to top this interior here? I can't wait to see that and show you that. But before we do that, we're still enjoying this beautiful car here, this machine, this elegant looking beast. I am in love. You can see the orangerie, and right behind that, let me just show you that for a second, because this is one of my main things to see here. Just doing a full left turn. Here we go. We have the chateau in front of us, you can see. So right in front of the castle, we actually have one of the first ever Bugatti Chiron and Veyrons. And this Veyron has got how much kilometers?
160,000.
160,000 on that Veyron. It's crazy. It's all testing purposes, right?
Yeah, it's
crazy.
First 5.0 Veyron.
Amazing. So I hope you enjoyed today's drive. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciated you letting me drive this extremely expensive and super special Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me just turn off the engine, and it's time to say goodbye.